welcome back, Scale Modelers. This is Steve. I'm from the vendors room at the IPMS Nationals, and just to give you guys a live view of the vendors room. One of the model companies that we used to order from years ago, the Great Models web store out of Salt Lake City, Utah, they're back. They're back, and they're here at the show, making a full return. They are called KitLink. They have a display right here in front of you and a big display right here. So it's good to see KitLink back in action with us. So they have some great prices on their kits here, as a matter of fact. So I got you live on Facebook right now.
Hey!
So this is go ahead and introduce yourself if you'd like, and let everybody know what's going on here.
So I'm Mad Dog Merv. Look me up at Mad Dog Merv, youtube.com. I do some builds on tanks, some aircraft, cars. I don't do real kit reviews, but just the builds. And there's some history stuff on there too. We go to a tank museum that's just awesome, you can't even get to anymore. So hey, thanks for having us. And please subscribe to this guy. He's got some awesome stuff on here.
Okay, appreciate it. Thank you. And this is a young lady right here is with KitLink out of Salt Lake City. And like we were saying, it's the return of Great Scale Models, now renamed KitLink. So it's fantastic. And so I got you live on Facebook right now. So
nice.
Okay, so we're just kind of walking around the contest room, the vendor room here a little more, and you guys can have a look at what's going on here. We've got Jane's Tools here, so I've never heard of them before, so this is pretty cool. We've got whole racks of modeling tools that you may need or want. And if I go over here around the corner, we've got Edward represented here, and I'm trying not to buy a lot because it's a lot to carry. I got you guys live on Facebook right now.
Hi there.
Hi, how you doing?
Everything's from Edward.
Everything's Edward here, right? Yeah. Welcome to the States. We're glad to have you guys on board at the IPMS Nationals. You're always here with us, so it's good to see you every year.
You made
year.
It, finally.
Yes. So I'm Steve. I'm from Scale Model Kit Review. I have a YouTube channel, and Twitter, Instagram, all those. So. But it's good to see you guys here. Yeah. Do you have anything up and coming that maybe my subscribers would like to see or know about? Or
Actually, right now we released the VF109 G10.
The G10?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
So the
MiG-21. G10 is auto scale. This one, and MiG-21 72 scale.
Those are the latest releases that you brought with you?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is the July release, and this is the August release. And what we have, even more you have, is reboxing of the Aero Cobra in Russian World War II service. So, again, August release. With a lot of colorful Russian P-39s.
Excellent.
Really nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
Or you can go online to our shops. Everything is available at this moment.
Okay, yes, yeah, I highly recommend it. Go online. I really appreciate the Edward website, because you go on there and you can actually get a preview of the kits. You can look at what's available in the box, the instructions. Everything's there. It's a fantastic site.
Thank you. We are doing our best for our customers.
Yes, yep, that's what we like to see. So thank you very much. I appreciate it.
We are modelists as well, so
yes. I know I'm getting
our hobby as well as our job.
I'm getting book samples from MMP Books out of Poland, and those guys also, yeah, as you know, they're modelists also. So I really like their books. So very cool, nice. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a good day. I'm gonna go around, but I'll come back later. Okay. All right, so we'll move on. Hope everybody enjoyed that. So you have a lot of resellers of kits, which is good. Find that old kit that you might have been looking for a long time. Got a lot of Gundam here being represented. Live on Facebook.
Find one?
Huh?
Tomcat.
I got one. I got the Tomcat. Thank you. I got their last one. So yeah, I got the last Tomcat kit. There might be a couple of more floating around, but it's pretty awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and quit this for now, but I will come back a little later and give you guys some more. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.